Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Miss P, and I'm back with another great remote job opportunity. Let's check this one out. So, Robinhood Trading and Stock Company, they're seeking someone to work remotely. All right, it's Crypto and Money Customer Experience Associate. You'll be working at nights and on weekends. You should be committed to provide outstanding service to their customers, many of whom are investing for the first time. Your job on a day to day basis will be communicating with customers over all channels, that's chat, voice, and email. You're going to be delivering outstanding service to solve customers' issues efficiently and educate users on how to use the Robinhood crypto and cash product along with trading and cryptocurrency fundamentals. In Colorado, the base pay for this position ranges from $23.80 to $31 per hour. New York City residents, the base pay for this position ranges from $28.05 to $33 per hour. This role is eligible for Annual Discretionary Bonus. So, guys, you'll be applying for this job on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.